My name is Jorge Paez. I'm a dentist, owner of Nevada Dental Aesthetics. We've been working for Leavitt for a few years now, and communication is very good between Dr. Leavitt and me. We talk a lot on the phone, a lot of letters communicating back and forth. So we feel really good about the product we're going to get. When we send them over there, everybody comes back happy. They're all really, thank me for having sent them over there, and no complaints. So that's what I want from my referral. Then they come back and they're happy. Seeing the patient smile where they had removable stuff, then you put them in fixed implant bridges and so forth. They come back and just the whole personality of the patient changes. The digital dentistry has helped both the periodontist and the dentist. Basically, we do scans for all our crown and bridge work, and we use the same system. And he has a 3D cone beam, so that makes it really easy for him to know where to place the implant where we're not going to have trouble. And it helps me out in the end too, where I'm trying to finish it off, so everything looks real nice on the case at the end. Patient also take impressions, so there's no gagging. Everything goes really smooth with the scanner. When I send the patient's Dr. Leavitt, everything comes back the way I expected. Everything looks like it's healing good. It looks like stuff's been done. I've sent other periodontists in the past, haven't been 100% happy with the treatment. And ever since I found him, everything's been working so well. I just keep sending to him because everything is what I expect to get back from him. I work with Dr. Leavitt because of the quality of work that he does on the patients, the way he treats the patients, and the results we get in the end are what the patient expects and what I expect. So it makes his practice looks good, it makes our practice look good, and we're all everybody's happy when everything goes smooth.